In today's world, the concept of Robo Cents is revolutionizing how we think about our spare change. Imagine a quirky little AI that takes your leftover coins and transforms them into future savings. It's like having a digital piggy bank that not only collects your change but also invests it wisely. Practical financial strategies are essential in our everyday lives, and Robo Cents embodies this by turning the mundane act of saving into an engaging experience. Who knew that those pesky pennies could lead to significant savings? Robo Cents encourages us to embrace our spare change, reminding us that even the smallest amounts can accumulate over time. So, let's see how this innovative approach can help you build a brighter financial future, one coin at a time. Spare change is often seen as the loose coins that jingle in our pockets or collect dust in jars. But what exactly constitutes spare change in everyday transactions? It includes those leftover cents from purchases, the coins you find in the couch cushions, or even the small amounts you might overlook when budgeting. While these amounts may seem insignificant, they can accumulate over time into a surprising sum. For instance, if you set aside just $1 a week by the end of the year, you'll have $52, enough for a nice dinner or a fun outing. Are you tossing coins aside or letting them pile up? By being mindful of these small amounts, you can harness their potential to positively impact your personal finances. So, let's start appreciating our spare change and watch it grow. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the financial landscape, making it easier than ever to manage and grow your spare change. At its core, AI technology analyzes vast amounts of data to identify patterns and make predictions, which is incredibly useful in financial applications. For instance, there are several AI tools designed specifically to help you save and invest your spare change. Apps like Acorns round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the difference, while others like Digit analyze your spending habits to automatically save small amounts for you. The benefits of using AI for personalized financial strategies are immense. These tools can tailor recommendations based on your unique financial situation, helping you make smarter decisions without the guesswork. By leveraging AI, you can turn your spare change into a powerful asset, paving the way for a more secure financial future. Embracing this technology can truly change the way you think about saving. And turning your spare change into savings is easier than you might think. Start by collecting your spare change in a designated jar or container at home. This simple method allows you to visually track your accumulation over time. You can also use a digital approach by downloading apps that help you collect and track your spare change effortlessly. To make your savings journey even more rewarding, set specific savings goals using your spare change. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund, having a target can motivate you to save more consistently. By implementing these practical tips, you'll be well on your way to turning your spare change into meaningful savings. As we look ahead, the potential developments of AI in managing personal finances are both exciting and transformative. One upcoming trend is the integration of more sophisticated machine learning algorithms that can analyze individual spending patterns in real time, offering tailored financial advice that adapts to your lifestyle. AI could further enhance savings strategies by predicting future expenses and suggesting optimal saving amounts based on your income and spending habits. Imagine an AI that not only rounds up your purchases but also forecasts when you might need extra funds, allowing you to save proactively. To make the most of these advancements, keep an eye on emerging technologies. You can leverage these tools to optimize your financial health. Embracing the future of AI in personal finance could lead to smarter savings and a more secure financial future for everyone. Transforming spare change into savings is a powerful and often overlooked strategy for improving your financial health. By recognizing the potential of those small amounts, you can accumulate significant savings over time. We've explored how innovative tools like various apps can help automate this process, making it easier than ever to grow your finances. Additionally, the role of AI in enhancing personal finance strategies cannot be understated. With its ability to analyze data and provide personalized recommendations, AI is set to revolutionize how we manage our money. Thank you for watching, and let's continue this journey towards smarter savings together. And don't forget to subscribe.